What's up? Welcome back for another video and review at the Hux World, and it is giveaway time, people. We got 5 watch face codes to give away to 5 winners. We want to thank everybody for participating in the giveaway. We want to thank OW for the donation of these watch faces. Now, for all the winners, here's what you need to do to retrieve your watch face code. First, you need to go to the developers page, leave a feedback comment, and then I'm going to leave the email in the description box down below. Take the email the developer, and he's going to give you the watch face codes personally. Cool? All right, you all, that's all you have to do to retrieve your watch face code. With that being said, let's go ahead. Let's start calling out these names. Now, I am not good with calling out names. I'm going to do the best I can. We're going to also put it across the screen so you will know who you are so far as a winner is concerned. Now, number 1 is going to be Gyan Luca. I believe that's how that person pronounce their name. If I'm wrong, please forgive me for butchering it. Number 2 is going to be Jackie. Congratulations, Jackie. Thank you for all the love and the support. Number 3, I can't pronounce the first name, but I will try to pronounce the last name. I'm going to say it's pronounced Kumar. Congratulations, Kumar. And we got Jonathan Smith. Congratulations, Jonathan. Thank you also for the support on the channel. And Adrian, my man Adrian, you're a winner. Listen, everybody, thank you all for participating. Thank you all for supporting the channel. That's going to be it. That's going to be all. Listen, enjoy the rest of your night and or day. And I'm going to see you all at the next video. Make sure you hit the like button on the way out because it does help the channel, people. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'm going to see you all again at the next video. Take care.